Good morning.
Good morning, Mom.
What is your name?
Joanna Sanbilio.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
Are you married or single?
Married.
Okay, does your husband know that you're applying for Malaysia?
Yes, Mom.
Do you have any children?
Yes, Mom.
How many?
3,
How old are they?
8, 7, and 1.
Okay, what is your educational attainment?
High school graduate.
Do you have experience to work as domestic helper?
Yes, Mom. Here in the Philippines, 2 years.
Okay, can you tell me your duties and responsibilities here in the Philippines?
To doing household chores, Mom.
And aside from doing household chores,
Taking newborn baby.
okay, for how many members of the family have you worked here in the Philippines?
5 members, Mom.
Okay, why do you want to work in Malaysia?
I want to work in Malaysia because to help my family financially and to save money for the future of my 3 children.
Okay, who will take care of your children when you are away?
My parents, Mom.
Okay, did you get permission and to your husband to work in abroad?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, if you feel homesick, what will you do?
To keep myself busy and to take care of the children of my employer, Mom.
Okay, do you think the work as domestic helper is easy or difficult?
It's easier, Mom, because I know the work as a domestic helper to clean the house and to ironing and washing the clothes.
Okay, are you good in cooking?
Yes, Mom.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, Mom.
What did you cook?
Filipino food, Mom.
Such as?
Adobo. Tinola.
Okay, if your employer will need you to do cooking and he will teach you, are you willing to learn?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, do you have any experience in taking care of children, including baby born?
Yes, Mom.
If the children of your employer are naughty, how would you handle them?
I will stay with them, then I prepare them food.
Okay, do you have experience in taking care of eldest person?
No, Mom.
Are you afraid in animals like dog?
No.
Okay, well, what will you do if you accidentally make a mistake with your employer?
I just say sorry, Mom.
Okay, are you willing to work in a big house?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, how will you prove to your employer that you are a good helper?
I will see with them that I am honest, trustworthy, and hardworking, Mom.
Okay, are you willing to work abroad without using your cell phone?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, what can you promise your future employer?
I promise to finish my contract and do the household chores correctly, and I promise to be a hardworking and trustworthy person. Thank you.